Okay, so the weather has been warming up. We are taking them out of the, what do you call it? It's hatch box?
Hatch box.
A hatch box that we were using as a brooder. We're taking them out of that and putting them in an actual brooder. Checking their bottoms for problems. And while he's doing that, he must have found one with a problem and put it back to me to fix. While he's doing that, the incubators. The designs for those incubators we actually got off YouTube from a guy who raises quail, and I don't remember his screen name or I would give him credit for it. There's the ones that are already in here now. And it's getting hot in here, I can smell it. So, oh, I didn't realize. Yeah. Go be with your friends. Oh, one more. Oh, there you go. Okay. Need some water and then they'll be set. I hear one.